Great day to all of you. There are billions of dollars left over in stimulus relief funds. More and more U.S. governors have agreed to allocate this money towards fourth stimulus payments. However, these checks may go out to a more targeted group of individuals. Friends, please make sure you watch until the end of this video to find out if you are eligible to receive a fourth stimulus check. Also, I will be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card 4 days a week. Please enter the giveaways by clicking and then liking several of my videos, and also commenting below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you watch and leave a comment on, the greater your chances of winning the Walmart gift card giveaway.
Over the past 10 months, we've won passage of some I think, extraordinary parts of our economic agenda. The bipartisan infrastructure law, the biggest infrastructure package since the Eisenhower administration with the help of some of our friends on the other side of the aisle. The CHIPS Act, a law to spur investments and microchips, which I might point out were invented here in the United States of America and refined. But the CHIPS Act is a gigantic investment, and it's going to create a number of jobs and technologies for the future. The Inflation Reduction Act, the law brings down the cost of prescription drugs, healthcare premiums, and invests in Made in America and a clean energy future. And the three things, along with other steps we've taken, like the American Rescue Plan, student debt relief, and is proof that democracy can deliver for the people. And there's a foundation of the kind of strong, forward-looking economy that we want to continue to build. The economy with lower prices, more breathing room for middle-class families, an economy with good-paying jobs you can raise a family on and just have, as I said, just a little bit of breathing room, whether you went to college or not. An economy that leads the world in technology and clean energy, and an economy that ends our dependence on foreign sources across the entire supply chain. And so this economy that works for the country from the bottom up and the middle out, as I said from the beginning. I'm not a big fan of trickle-down economics. I find the trickle stops fairly quickly coming down. But when working folks are doing well, the middle class is doing well, the wealthy do very well. Everybody does well. And so today, I've assembled a cabinet to lay out in detail how we're going to implement each of these laws that you work so hard to get passed.
Beginning in October, eligible California residents will receive one-time inflation relief payments as much as $1,050. Whether you qualify for the middle-class tax refund and how much you would receive depends on your income, filing status, and household size. The refunds are expected to total about $9.5 billion and are part of a larger $12 billion relief plan that was approved by lawmakers. In a recent statement, Governor Newsom said, California's budget addresses the state's most pressing needs and prioritizes getting dollars back into the pockets of millions of Californians who are grappling with global inflation and rising prices of everything from gas to groceries. According to officials, roughly 23 million California residents are eligible for the rebate plan, which has been set up in 3 tiers based on the adjusted gross income on your 2020 California state tax return. Single taxpayers who earn less than $75,000 and couples who filed jointly and made less than $150,000 will receive $350 per taxpayer and another flat $350 if they have any dependents. A married couple with children could receive as much as $1,050. This is the largest bracket, representing about 82% of recipients. In addition to meeting income requirements, residents must have filed their 2020 tax refund by October 15, 2021, have lived in the state of California for at least half of the 2020 tax year, and still be a California resident on the date that the payment is issued. In addition, you cannot have been claimed as a dependent in the 2020 tax year. If you filed your 2020 California state tax return electronically and requested a direct deposit for your refund, you will receive the tax rebate as a direct deposit. In addition to the tax rebate, the state is increasing funding for several social programs, including the Supplemental Security Income, State Supplementary Payment, which assists more than 1 million seniors and disabled individuals. Benefits will increase by about $39 per month for individuals and by $100 per month for couples. Friends, the keyword for this video is Delaware River. If you would like to enter tomorrow's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos and then comment below this keyword, which is Delaware River, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure that you're also subscribed to my channel. It's just been over a week since President Biden made the announcement that up to $10,000 worth of federal student loans and up to $20,000 for Pell Grant recipients would be forgiven, effectively freeing more than 20 million student borrowers from their student loan debt. While this has been good news for many, there are still more details and next steps for borrowers to consider. After some confusion regarding whether or not states would count the money saved by student loan forgiveness as taxable income, student loan borrowers in a few more states can also relish in the fact that they'll no longer have this hanging over their heads. With the exception of 2 states, Mississippi and North Carolina, that have decided to levy state taxes on federal student loan forgiveness, and several others have yet to announce their final decision. In most states, additional state taxes will not be required for those whose federal student loans have been forgiven. Typically, when you have debt discharged, the IRS treats it as taxable income. With student loan forgiveness, taxes work differently. In March of 2021, President Biden signed the American Rescue Plan into law, which included a clause regarding student loan forgiveness, saying that any federal student loans that were discharged between 2021 and 2025 would not be considered taxable income. Well, my amazing and beautiful friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. I appreciate all of you for watching my videos every day. Thank you, my dear friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Tuesday.